Welcome to this video. We have come to an end to this video series on backlinks building strategy for a new site. You should start to see results of the backlinks when it gets indexed. This is a summary of what you should do for the first 12 weeks of starting your blog. Week 1, create social media accounts for your website like Facebook, Pinterest, LinkedIn, and the rest. Week 2, build business citations from Bing My Business, Google Business Profile, which is formerly known as Google My Business, and so on. Week 3, build one link to your site. Week 4 to week 7, build 2 links per week to your site. Week 8, build 3 links to your site. Week 9 to week 12, build 1 link per week to your site. After the 12 weeks of link building, if you haven't started seeing results, keep building links. Repeat the process from week 7 to week 12, but this time from another site. If you need my link building services, click on the link at the description box below to see the details. If you have any question on link building, comment below. And this is your first time of watching my video, subscribe to get more videos on blogging tips, SEO, and how to make money online. I will see you in the next video.